Hey guys, just got a new bike today. About to do a bike check. Okay, start out with the frame here. We got about 10-pounder right here of a Justyn mountain bike Murray frame, custom. Aftermarket, I guess. We got a X-Cook handlebars along with a Tech bell. Here we got new reflectors. Put them on myself. It's got a new kink frame. I'm at tire, along with Haro spokes, nipples, and rim. On the pedals, we got stock pedals. We got all tubed cranks along with a new Fit Sky High sprocket. Look at we got a 7-speed gears along with a TE1 gearbox. We got a new Oculus tire along with other Haro spokes, nipples, and rims. We got a Murray seat and my hub is really loud. Thinking about making it black with white and purple forks. Comments, let me know what you think.